What's up everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to part 2 of the bodywork. So the sandpaper still hasn't turned up. It's actually been 2 weeks I think since I did part 1 and it still hasn't turned up, so I'm just going to put that on the back burner now until summertime, and today we are just going to polish it up, blend in the touch-up paint that we did, dress all the rubber trims, do the glass, and basically just make it as show-like condition as possible, just so that we can get this series wrapped up, because as I say, I do have a few pieces sat waiting to go on the car. It is nothing major, but it is the start of the cosmetic transformation and I really just want to crack on with it. So yeah, today, as I say, we're just going to finish the exterior of the car as best as what we can, and then I think in summertime, when we've got more daylight, it's warmer weather, when we'll come to refurb the wheels, we'll sort out the scratches as well. But at least all the chips and everything are all covered over. So without further ado guys, let's crack on and let's get polishing. So guys, the GoPro decided to give up the ghost again and decided it wanted to just stop filming. The battery hadn't died on it, so I'm going to have a look at that later on. But as you saw, I've polished the car, I've trim coated all of the rubber trims, all the plastic trims on the grille, rear diffuser or valance, whatever you want to call it. That's all been done. Cleaned the glass as well, but you've seen that before, so I didn't bother showing that. Tyres have been dressed, but the reason why I didn't show you that is because of the video after this, which will also have the final reveal. That's why this video has sort of been left a bit vague. So yeah, if you noticed it, put a comment down below, tell me what you noticed. If you didn't, you'll just have to wait to find out. So at the end of the next video, which I'm about to go and film now, is the final reveal of the full car, complete in air quotes show condition, or as near as. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy it, guys. If you did, do drop a comment down below and tell me what you noticed for the next upcoming video. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, and until the next time guys, take care.